Hi y'all, I'm very happy that today I'll finally have the pleasure to be able to reassure you that I'm not dead. So recently I started studying, which at the one hand is the reason for my inactivity lately. I'm very sorry guys, I hope you'll forgive me. But on the other hand was also the reason to trade my stepsister for this iPad Air 4th generation. Actually I would have preferred to exchange this apparatus for one of my kidneys, but this ship kinda sold when I saw that the iPhone 12 Pro looks pretty interesting, and I read that you'd die if you don't keep at least one kidney. Maybe I should try to find another stepsister. Anyway, today we'll unbox this bad boy. We'll turn it on for the first time and I'll tell you why I decided for this model. So this is only the unboxing. I'll do a full review on this thing in 1 or 2 weeks. I just want to gather some experience before I create my garbage video. So if you didn't subscribe yet, what are you waiting for? You really don't want to miss out on more garbage, do you? Okay, the packaging. On the front, a photo of one of these modern tablet computers those cool kids use in university and old people in the kitchen to cut their vegetables on. On the bottom, Apple logo. Right side, iPad Air. Top, Apple logo. Left side, iPad Air. Maybe the back side's more interesting. We find a lot of text, some numbers, note to myself, don't forget to pixelate those you moron, and this, 64 gigs. And yeah, admittedly, it's always sad to buy the smallest space variant of an Apple device, but as I already mentioned, I need one of my kidneys. So let's finally open the box. So let's finally... Here we go. On the top we can immediately take a look at the iPad Air 4th generation, and as the packaging spot already, I decided for the blue model. Furthermore, I finally got my hands on some toilet paper during the hard second lockdown times in Germany. Even 2 Apple stickers are in here, and of course a USB-C to USB-C cable and a wall plug. You wanna save the environment together with Apple? Not with this iPad. Just a joke, I didn't have such a wall plug yet, so I'm pretty happy they put it in. Alright, the magic moment now. I'm going to put the first micro scratches into the screen. No! Not today. Sorry I have to do this, but it's always the first thing I'm doing when I buy a device which is worth more than my whole furniture. So let's take a look at the device itself. On the front we can find the 10.9-inch display and the 7 megapixels FaceTime HD camera. On the bottom the USB-C connector and 2 speakers. On the right side the magnetic connector and the volume buttons. On the top we can find more speakers and the top button with integrated Touch ID. On the back side we can find the 12 megapixels main camera, a microphone and an Apple. So this is the iPad Air 4th generation. And for sure I also got my hands on a cheap flip case. Nice. And of course I got the Apple Pencil as well, which was only 110 bucks on Black Friday, so I didn't have to think about buying it twice. Apropos Black Friday, after my online semester started in November, I knew I'd need a so-called tablet computer. And I, a stupid and way too optimistic person, thought, okay, let's wait for Black Friday and buy an iPad with a huge discount. Yeah. Huge discount my ass. At this point I even wanted to buy the new iPad 8th generation and not the Air, but there hasn't been a discount anywhere at all. And while watching American eBay 300 bucks for an iPad 8th generation deals, Saturn Germany was like, why don't you buy a Huawei MatePad or in I can't even pronounce the name, dude. But luckily I found a 100 bucks discount on this iPad. Fun fact, most of the iPads have been out of stock in several shops later anyway. So I guess I wasn't the only one waiting for a discount. Alright, so the iPad works fine. I'd probably spend a lot of time using this thing, so I'll be back with this iPad in some weeks, when I can give you my full opinion on this apparatus. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up if you didn't find the video too bad. And I'll see you on December 31st, when I upload my emotional and epic iBungler 2020 best of / recap. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Adios, amigos.